I am going to show you how to disable Send to your device option from Google Chrome. Disabling Send to your devices in Chrome requires that you switch off the Open Tab Sync settings. Doing so will remove the Send icon presented on the address bar. Furthermore, you also won't see the Send to your devices option on the context menu when right-click on web pages. However, turning off these sync settings will also prevent you from seeing any of the active tabs on other devices when you point toward the history option on the Chrome menu. If that isn't an issue, then here are the exact steps that you must follow to disable Send to your devices in Chrome. Open the Chrome menu, click the three dots to the upper right corner of the window, and then click Settings. Click the Sync and Google Services option underneath the People section. Click the option labeled Manage Sync. Turn off the switch next to Open Tabs. That should disable Send to your devices. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them on the comments area below.